2009 Jeep Liberty 4x4, 33,000 miles. It's RV ready. It has the RV hookups on the front, all wired. This is a 4x4. Like new condition, no accidents, Carfax certified. Running boards, alloy wheels. Tires are in like new condition. Tow package. Still has the package tray cover. Vehicle is flawless in and out. Cloth seats in remarkable condition. Both sets of keys, owner's manual, original mats, power windows and locks. AM, FM, CD, WMA, MP3, four-wheel drive. There's the Carfax report. Always been in Texas. No rust. This is a Texas vehicle. There's the miles. 33,374 miles. Second row seats have never been sat in. Roof rack. This vehicle was primarily used to pull behind a motorhome.